This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your drive fits the M.2 slot and that your motherboard supports NVMe PCIe lanes. Once done, power down and unplug the system. Ground yourself to avoid static damage. Make sure to remove the case panel and locate the M.2 slot near the CPU or chipset. You'll see a small standoff and screw. Keep them handy. Now align the drive at a 20-30 degrees angle to the slot and get ready to insert it. You insert the NVMe module into the socket at that 20-30 degrees angle, seating the gold fingers fully. Then press it gently down to the standoff and fasten the retaining screw. Once installed, reattach any M.2 heatsink, making sure thermal pads contact the drive. Power on and enter BIOS to confirm NVMe is detected and to enable any PCIe/NVMe settings. Make sure boot priority is set if this will host your OS. If it's a secondary drive, proceed to initialize in the OS. You finish by initializing the NVMe in your operating system. Open Disk Management or use Gdisk, create a partition, and format as NTFS for Windows or X4 for Linux. Once formatted, run a short benchmark and check Smart to confirm healthy status. Update firmware and NVMe drivers if performance lags. If the drive does not appear, reseat it and test a different M.2 slot or enable PCIe lanes in BIOS. One key troubleshooting tip: update the motherboard BIOS before concluding, as compatibility fixes are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.